What is the 6-Day Welsh Challenge, who is it for, and how does it work? You might have heard that here at Say Something in Welsh, we've been doing insanely intensive 5 and 10-day residential courses for the last year or two. We call them our brain shock courses because they put your brain under a truly remarkable amount of pressure. And as a result, they get staggering results, genuinely breathtaking stuff. And you might have heard that because our residential courses are expensive and time-consuming at £2,000 for 10 days, we built a 6-month Welsh Speaker course, modelled on the work we do on our Brain Shock courses, but delivered online with group video support at a more accessible £200 a head, with a guarantee that you will be having confident conversations in Welsh by the end of the 6 months. There are still 2 serious problems with the 6-month course though. First of all, it's a very serious commitment, needing 2 to 4 hours a week for the 6 months. And second, about 5 to 10% of people aren't a good fit for learning with our unique accelerated methodology. So we built the 6-Day Welsh Challenge for 3 main reasons. 1, to give you a breathtaking amount of Welsh in less than a single week. 2, to prove clearly whether you are in the 90% of people who can learn this quickly or the 10% who can't, and 3, to give you an easy, low-commitment way to test the water with our unusual approach to learning Welsh. Who is it for? Well, you have to be willing to put in 1 hour a day for the 6 days. We can accelerate your learning, but we don't have any actual magic wands, so we can't do it without an hour a day of your time. You should be a beginner or an early intermediate learner. If you've already finished level 1 of Say Something in Welsh and started having conversations, you've already done most of the important stuff. We're planning to build a jump in at the deep end course for you later on though, so hang on in there, help is on the way. If you're an absolute beginner or have done a bit but aren't confident in conversations yet, and you're willing to put in an hour a day for 6 days, then we've put the 6-Day Welsh Challenge together specifically for you. We guarantee that it will show you that you really are capable of becoming a confident conversational Welsh speaker. And that's a serious guarantee. If you don't feel that the 6-Day Welsh Challenge has transformed your Welsh and your understanding of what your brain is capable of by the end of the 6 days, then just clear your throat at us and we'll refund you immediately. Either we show you a dramatically faster way to learn Welsh in 6 days, or you don't pay a penny. So here's what happens when you sign up for the Say Something in Welsh 6-Day Welsh Challenge. First, you get a welcome email that explains a bit more about how it all fits together. Then each day you get an email with a set of tasks for that day, which will never take you more than an hour. You'll be given full access to all the materials you need. There are no hidden extra costs here. You'll also be given access to a private community where tutors will be on hand to answer any questions you have about the challenge or about learning Welsh in general. Many people say that the community and the tutor support are almost as valuable as the unique method itself. You can also ask for extra help at any time, either on our enormously friendly general forum or via email. And if you complete the tasks we set you, which will never take more than 1 hour a day, by the end of the 6 days, your ability to speak Welsh will have changed dramatically, and you will know that you are capable of becoming a Welsh speaker. And remember, we guarantee that. Either you agree that it's changed your understanding of what you can achieve, or you tell us that it hasn't. We won't ask questions, we won't drag our heels, we'll just refund you immediately. For a full overview of what the 6-Day Welsh Challenge involves and to see how much it costs, and don't worry, it's not as painful as the £2,000 for the 10-day courses or the £200 for the 6-month Welsh Speaker course, just click on the link in the description of this video or go to www.saysomethingin.com/6DC.